We started to discuss with Olivier about his project. This was 1 year ago in 2018. Olivier came to discuss with me because he wanted, I would say, to inform me that he was about to launch a project, and that was for doing a selling tour around the world. And it was not only, I would say, to do the tour itself, and his project was to go in contact with the people around the world, together with his family, with caritative actions on the fact to support also some values like environment and well-being. And I immediately was supportive and interested by what he wanted to do, so I encouraged him, I would say, to go further. And he was telling me he wanted to do it within Airbus, so it means he wanted to go and get the support from manager inside Airbus to associate Airbus to this initiative. And here, to be honest, I was a bit skeptical that he could, I would say, achieve, this project in the frame of our company. And he came back beginning of this year, 2019, and this was happy to see. And he was successful to get the support of a top manager to launch this initiative. And at least for me, that's showing that that's possible within Airbus. If I would say you take an initiative, this can happen. And at least I think that that's a good signal.
As for me, I was very impressed when Olivier was coming to us, and especially also giving some feedback from his first sailing trip with his family, especially on to really get this first-handed feedback on also the caritative action and the discussions he and his family did there. Also to really have this very direct feedback from the people and what is happening with the people. And I was especially also very impressed about the idea really spreading the passion for aviation to people in poorer countries in the third world, and this really by this very close contact. So I think it's a huge opportunity for all the people which can link, thanks to Olivier and his family, into that project.
So what we decided with Felix, after Olivier came back with Happy2See, was to communicate inside our team to see if people wanted, I would say, to prepare something in the frame of this initiative. So I did it, I would say, with my team where Olivier is working. And this was amazing to see that there was, I would say, spontaneous involvement of people, let's say voluntary basis. People were raising questions, were interested, and see that as an opportunity, I would say, to do something that is a solidarity action, but at the same time, I would say, with people they were working with, so means by developing also, I would say, some relationship with by doing that with people, I would say they were appreciating also from normal work.
Yeah, so I was also very impressed. So for me, it started more like a kind of corridor lunch discussions between the people of our team, but they were extremely motivated then to support this, fully based on voluntary basis, of course. And so what was then also very interesting to see the kind of team dynamics beyond work, where we saw that people in our team, which is quite significant, were exchanging where they, due to the pure business context, did not exchange before. So it was really bringing people together with this project also.
And for me, what happened is a good example, I would say, of self-organized, of self-initiative. Means that people that were, I would say, volunteer to help. Well, they decided, I would say, with Olivier, first time with Olivier, I would say, to see how we can help, to try to understand from Olivier what he was needing and so on. And quite rapidly, in fact, this materialized into concrete actions. Some people, in fact, were really motivated to go to see if there was some local associations that would be interested to collaborate with, to have some help from Happy2See. So we decided, and this was a proposal from Olivier, to support Dominica, which is an island in the Caribbean. And automatically, two people were volunteer. Yes, I would like to see if I can find an association and so on. Some others, in fact, were more proposing to offer support to Olivier for the website, for organizing his website, for bringing, I would say, their skills and competencies in software development and these kind of things. And this was really, I would say, just starting like that with people I would say that were naturally going to something that they wanted to do, and so on. And after, what was amazing also is to see that these created links, like you have outside work, it's more, I would say, a team of people like friends that wants to organize, for instance, something in the Pyrenees and so on. And here, this is because they wanted to do something more caritative and to support Olivier. And that's really created a nice, I would say, team dynamics within the team.
Yes, so I fully support what you said, Fabrice. So it was really very interesting to see how active the people were getting on that, really doing the things together, how interested they were in such a caritative action, where especially I think what is also motivating them that we will then, when Olivier is on site, really get the direct feedback from him, what is happening with all the support which was given by the people from our team. And I think that this is something which is really very enriching for them individually, but for them also as a team in the non-professional sense. And so I think that with this it will somehow also raise in a certain way their kind of happiness in life, because they can observe that these poor people, or people in poor third world countries, which really have a much more difficult life than we have, are very happy and highly appreciate, and if they are getting such new knowledge which hopefully Olivier will be able to share with them. And I think this is also bringing a little bit more happiness to our people at the end, which are not so aware about the good conditions they are in, because they are so used to this standard way of life in the middle of Europe.
Oh, definitely, yeah. I think it's part of the motivation that the people that engage inside these actions. What was amazing also was to see, I would say, how quick this went into some concrete results. Yes. After, I would say, the first discussion on meeting, let's say 2 weeks after, there was already, I would say, 2 local associations identified. 1 week after, there was a poster that was done that was proposing a list of topics where people could support. It means after having discussed with the local associations, there was identification of need for books for children, of toys for small children, of small PC in order to enrich, I would say, for the education. And then there was somebody who directly took the initiative to make a poster, to print the poster, to have it in the corridor, and then to plan, I would say, 2 collecting phases. One before, I would say, the end of the school period, to ask to people that are having children in school if they could get some material, and one at the beginning of September, where I would say the children will be back from holiday. So for me, let's say it's really showing what can be efficient when you have, I would say, people that are taking for themselves as the objective, like the principle of self-organized team, and that are quite weak, achieving good and impressive results. Yes. So personally, I'm very happy, I would say, to support this initiative, but I think as manager, it's also quite interesting to see the dynamic that this can be generated within the teams. Yeah.
Yes, and I think there's not much to be added to what Fabrice said. What for me was especially also very interesting to see that especially very young people like our intern was joining and strongly supporting this initiative. I think that's really great, and also in a certain way a role model than for other people. And yes, so I think with this we come to the end. I would like to wish Olivier and his family a very great journey, and especially a safe journey, to see him and his family then safe and well back again here in a few years.